Metabolism is what gives you the energy to get out of bed in the morning. It also provides energy for nearly all the chemical processes that occur in your cells. All the food that you eat is broken down through metabolism. There are three main parts of metabolism: glycolysis, which is a 10-step process that splits a molecule of glucose into 2 molecules of pyruvate; the citric acid cycle, which uses acetyl-CoA to reduce electron carriers; and the electron transport chain, which oxidizes the electron carriers to synthesize energy in the form of ATP. There are many different key enzymes that act like gatekeepers to the many parts of metabolism. This video will focus on the one between glycolysis and the citric acid cycle, known as Pyruvate Dehydrogenase complex, or PDC for short.
PDC is a complex cellular machine that is made up of 3 subunits, E1, E2, and E3, that each perform a specialized task. E1, which is referred to as the pyruvate dehydrogenase, oxidizes pyruvate and produces carbon dioxide in a bound acetyl group. The acetyl group is transferred to E2, which is referred to as dihydrolipoyl transacetylase. This subunit contains a group called lipoamide, which transfers the acetyl group to coenzyme A, forming acetyl-CoA. Acetyl-CoA is especially important because it allows metabolism to continue into the citric acid cycle and the electron transport chain to produce ATP, or energy.
E3, which is referred to as dihydrolipoyl dehydrogenase, regenerates coenzymes important for continuing the ATP making process. Coenzymes are useful because they assist enzymes in catalyzing reactions. The main coenzymes in metabolism are FAD and NAD+, which are reduced to FADH2 and NADH, which continue to the electron transport chain to produce ATP.
Overall, we need energy to support our body and the different demands our bodies go through every day. We care about the PDC because without being able to properly function, we can't link glycolysis and the Krebs cycle, which function together to support us in aerobic metabolism. Without the PDC functioning properly, ATP synthesis is a lot less efficient.
With a non-functioning PDC, this will lead to diseases develop like neurological deficiencies and would cause additional oxidative stress to our vital organs, like the heart, liver, and lungs. If the PDC were not functioning properly, pyruvate may be converted to lactate. This would lead to an accumulation of lactic acid and decrease our muscles' pH to an unhealthy range. This is dangerous to our bodies as we need oxygen to make ATP, and here we are experiencing anaerobic metabolism.